Many people try to make money online and yet they always fail. If you've ever tried dropshipping, affiliate marketing, crypto, or content creation, then this video is for you. I'm going to be highlighting to you what you have probably been doing wrong and what you'd really need to do for you to get what you actually wanted. Welcome to my channel. My name is Akere Ebonua. But before we actually dive into the video, let me introduce to you this my friend. Okay, so this is Tunde. Tunde is someone who is actually interested in making money online. Tunde has tried many things. He has saved a lot of screenshots. He has bookmarked a lot of video, a lot of websites that you can ever imagine because he is actually interested in making money online just for him to get this passive income to add to his normal income, and then he can actually and its family can actually benefit from it. So this is today, and yeah, that is all about today. But there is something which Tunde didn't know, and there is something which Tunde have probably been doing wrong, and that is what exactly I'm going to be highlighting in this video. So let's break down the problem which Tunde has, or which many of you that are watching this video, or somebody who you know might actually have. Making money is not about finding the best method. Yeah, it's not about just getting the best method. It's not just about seeing what is trending and then you pick it and then decide to try. So making money is not about finding that particular best method. Yeah, and this is what people do, and this is why most people fail. Yeah, it's because they chase trend, they switch quickly, and they never get good at anything. I'm going to repeat it again. They chase trend, they switch quickly, and they never get good at anything. So they just see that something is working. Okay, cryptocurrency is raining right now. Pam, they jump into it. Also, they just learn the peripherals and then they just jump into it. Okay, today, content creation is ready. They just look at, oh, content creation, this is how much people are making online. They Google it, they saw it, they say, okay, this is how much people are making online, and I can also make this money. They switch from from crypto, which they were actually doing before, and they are in content creation. And because of this, they never really get good at anything. So they've learned the peripheral of crypto. Now they've switched to content creation. They never get good at crypto because they just did it for a few days, few months, and then they've jumped to something else. And content creation, the same thing. Another thing is going to come and they are going to switch, and they never get good. They are never perfect in any of those things. So today I'm going to be introducing to you the formula that actually works, the formula which you need in 2026 if you really want to earn that passive income which you actually need. And I'm going to break it down into this particular step. So the formula is skill, problem, audience, value, and scale. I repeat, skill, problem, audience, value, and scale. So in the course of this video, I'm going to be explaining these 5 things to you and how you can actually apply it in 2026 to actually get what you want. So Tunde make a decision, and Tunde choose content creation. He didn't choose content creation because this is what he thinks, or what he thinks is the easiest. The key is high value skill are things people will always pay for. So content creation might look so easy, but what you should know that high value skill are things people we always pay for. So the writing, the video editing, the marketing, and the design. Content creation is very, very interesting. And what you should know about content creation, if you're starting as a content creator, and if you've been a content creator, you know what I'm talking about. When you're starting and you are doing it alone, you will know that you have to be good with your writing, you have to be good with your video editing, because you have to edit your video by yourself. Or maybe, okay, maybe you have money from the beginning, but for someone like Sunday who doesn't really have money from the beginning, he needs to do everything by himself. That means he needs to be good with his writing, he needs to be good with his video editing, he needs to be good with marketing, and he also needs to be good with his design. Of course, he's going to design his thumbnail, he's going to design whatever things he needs to design. He needs to market his video. You might just, okay, you just need to make the video, post it on social media, and that's all. and that is everything. Yeah, but that is not just it. You need to market your video. But in the course of this video, we are going to be talking about that, the video editing, of course. And video editing, if you are in media production, you know that video editing can be broken down into smaller pieces, and which are going, there is the sound, there's everything which you need to know, but we are going to go into that. The writing also is also part of it. So Sunday decided to choose content creation, and choosing this content creation means that Sunday has to be good in this content creation. Don't forget I said skill, problem, audience, value, and skill. So Sunday have decided to choose a particular skill. He has decided to choose this particular skill, and Sunday needs to get good in this particular skill. So you need to choose a particular skill, you need to choose a particular niche, and you need to be good at it. Note, you are not going to start making money from it the very day you choose content creation. The very day you choose that particular skill which you think you can get better at, you are not going to start making money from it. Yeah, but for weeks, you should not have, for weeks nothing happened. For weeks also, for today, nothing really happened, but it keeps getting better. It wasn't making money from that very seconds which it chose content creation, but for every video which it produced, it was getting better. For every video it produced, he released his first video, his second, his third, his fourth, his fifth, his sixth. You wouldn't start seeing changes of how good you are until you make your 100th video. Maybe I'm exaggerating with that, but for every video which you produce, you need to change something. So if you produce a video today as a content creator, tomorrow when you are producing another video, you should learn from that last one which you did. I'm like, okay, this particular one, I didn't do it the way I'm supposed to do it, so let me change something in the next video. And this was what Sunday was doing, and today was getting better by it, day by day. But there is a problem. A skill doesn't make you money, and this is where most people get stuck. So skill alone doesn't make you that money which you want, and this is where many people quit. So they've learned the skill, they've practiced it 1 2 3 4 5, they've practiced it for 5 months, and it's not making them money. And this is the stage where people say, okay, I'm handing it, this is not giving me the money which I actually wanted. So they stop, and then they switch to something else. But for today, it didn't stop, it continued, because it kept getting better and better. You know, I told you, learn the skill and get better in the skill. In the next video, I will show you how you can turn that skill into attention. So in the next video, we are going to be talking about how you can turn that skill which you've perfected. We are going to turn it into getting attention. Remember, I told you the formula is skill, problem, audience, value, and skill. Now we need to turn that skill which you have, which you've mastered, which you've perfected, how we can turn it into attention. And you know, for you to get attention, you need to be solving a problem. So this is where I'm going to be editing this video. Remember to subscribe and like this video, but subscribing really matters, because when you subscribe, when I drop the next part of this video, you will see how we are going to turn that skill into money. So subscribe and you get a notification when I drop the next video. My name is Akere, as you know, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.